This is not financial advice. It's not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, Citigroup just reached an agreement to settle with Blvd Montreal Bank to pay a fine of $138,000 and $10,600 in expenses for not supervising their employees properly when it comes to all kind of probably questionable options trades. Okay, they said that the bank failed to establish and maintain a system to supervise employees to comply with reporting rules. Now, this is just a small fine compared to the $500 million that Citigroup has already paid for failing to supervise since 2020. Okay, and then they were fined $136 million last week for failing to comply. And like I said in the previous video, why would they be fined over $300 million in 2020, and now in 2024 they're fined another $136 million because they didn't fix the problem from 2024? From 2020. So obviously they make more money breaking the law than properly supervising the option trades. And the Blvd Montreal Bank, they want to be made whole for their losses. So they're making them pay $138,000 fine and $10,600 in expenses. But that's where the problem comes in. You see these bad actors like Citigroup engage in this questionable behavior, making millions, probably trillions of dollars, taking advantage of breaking the option rules. And you know who lose money? Retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. All the banks that lost money because of Citigroup's non-compliance, they will go after Citigroup, and Citigroup will make them whole. But the small investors, the pension funds, the institutions that follow the rules, who don't know the game, they will just have to eat those losses. And the thing is, in any other industry, if you had 4 years to fix the problem and you didn't fix that problem, you would lose your license to participate in that industry. But somehow Citigroup was fined over $500 million and in 4 years has done absolutely nothing to fix the issues. And the only people that losing money, retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, because you know the banks are going to be made whole. The 1%ers are going to be made whole. They're not going to let Citigroup get away with it. But, of course, retail investors don't have legal representation to really go after these big banks. And you all know the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI is fully aware of what Citigroup is doing because they've been fining them for doing it for the last 4 years. But somehow they still have their license to trade, and they're still engaging in the same questionable activity that's taking money out of the pockets of hardworking Americans and international investors. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that these bad actors should make everybody whole, even retail investors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.